everyone, so today we are in Batu Bolong Canggu. So we will show you how it is because yesterday we were in Ubud and it was packed of people, and now in Batu Bolong Canggu it's the same. I think much busier than Ubud. So let's go and showing you how it is.
Basically, you have a little bit of the beach situation, and the beach looks like this one. Beach is nothing special. However, you can see quite a lot of crowds actually enjoying their sunset drinks and sunset lunch, snacks. All of them, they are basically 95% are foreigners, and it's pretty busy, I'm gonna tell you. The bars are actually somehow packed with people. It's like under the roof, little bit of stroll. Basically, this is the huge parking area over there, as you can see, and this is like a Canggu central stage. There's so many people hanging out. You can still find the, the corn, the live band every day here. Some people just sitting on the chairs enjoying the beach view, and there is like a little bar. Also, you can enjoy the few drinks, or you can sit also by the beach, or you can just walk the waves and the sunset also somewhere there. Basically, that's the Canggu vibe, not in the beach club, but in the bars next to the beach. You can have a drink, enjoy your afternoon sunset arvo, like Australian people used to say. Also the live music, live band. I will show you a little bit of the beach situation. There also behind the parking area is the Oldsman and brand new Motel Mexicola, which we're gonna show you later also. Beach is pretty busy. It's not the most nicest beach in whole entire Bali, but definitely pretty busy, I'm gonna tell you.
As you have seen behind me, there are so many people enjoying their time by the beach. One thing, the beach is not that white sand beach. You know, whenever you type Google what is Bali offer, like white sand beach, a tropical thing. But look, this beach is packed of people, but mostly what we can observe, they are young community, and yeah, probably some senior, but majority are young community enjoying the time by the beach, you know, having sunbathing. So nice, you see that. This also famous for the surfer. So not many people are swimming on the beach, but yes, but surfer there are a lot, and also people enjoying the time by the beach.
And also quite a lot of small kids everywhere around, and doggos, of course. Those lads playing football or some sort of tricky game, and basically quite a lot of spectators coming here for enjoying the sunset. Actually, I should show you the sunset. Sunset is gonna be soon over there. Also on the beach over here, we can see the people like all around the world, people from around the world, but also the local Indonesian people coming here and enjoying. I believe also some Balinese people coming here and enjoying. So this is like a mix. Also the temple is in the background. There's no beach club actually in this particular village. Beach clubs are there more further. The Chu is a very big one. But after that, this is it. Some surfers still enjoying. And for some reason, there's the loud music, the live band. But this beach is definitely busier than other beaches in Bali. Even Bali have a more attractive looking beaches. This one in Canggu definitely is busy. It's really busy today.
Basically, those are the warung, the restaurant. I think that there are still, local vibes over there where, all the seating are already taken. And next to it, the world famous, the Lawn Beach Club. So yeah, I think that in the Batu Bolong, only one beach club, which is, what I can say then, with the loud music. And surprisingly, it's packed with people. So yeah, this is actually what Canggu, offers. It's not only about the surfing, but beach clubs and restaurant and
community as
the
well.
Community. I think that people are here more into, like chill vibe.
I could say this is somehow lifestyle. Also the lifestyle of Canggu, somehow modern, somehow party vibe, somehow tropical. And as the bonus, you have a nice sunsets like this one. We're back to the street at the front of the beach, where is the entrance to the Pantai Batu Bolong Canggu. And then there is legendary Oldsman, and next door is the Motel Mexicola. Also so much construction here, always is something changing due to the new ownerships. There is the temple also. Always remember, Bali is full of temples and so many people entering the parking actually only for motorbikes recently. And Oldsman also still exists, open again. And next to it is the brand new Motel Mexicola. Looks actually very tropical and very cool. Maybe we can have a look inside. Let's see. I mean, if you like Oldsman, it actually didn't change that much. That's the Mexicola from outside. So many people actually coming in and out. The Mexicola from the outside doesn't look very optimistic, but from the inside, I believe it's very nice. So we're gonna go inside.
So now we are inside the Motel Mexicola Canggu, and I'll show you and stroll around. Well, basically in front of me, there are a big family are here enjoying. So it means that it's not only for young people and family friendly as well. And Damian is sitting there enjoying his drink, and I'll show you. It's a very colorful place, basically, and surround as you see. But very nice. Many family are here enjoying their time, enjoying dinner, and it's not only for the young people. Very nice. So I think that most of them are coming from the beach and wanna enjoy the dinner time. And yeah, I'll show you around the place. Basically, it's very nice, cozy and colorful, very cool, cozy looking. It's just like, I think a Motel Mexicola in Seminyak, but this one in Canggu is bigger and yeah, and also spacious. Wow. As you see, then in this table, every table almost taken and very insta-worthy. And the kitchen here, so we can see the kitchen. I can say that there is a bule chef, foreigner chef inside. So yeah, it's very nice looking restaurant basically. And the vibe and the music is just like in Mexico. And look at the toilet, it's very colorful pink color. And yeah, this is it, how it looks like inside the Motel Mexicola Canggu with the Mexican music inside. And yeah, what I can say, then the vibe here in Canggu is totally different. Very cozy and then easy listening music. So what I see here, probably later on at night time will be packed of people who are having a party. So just like I told you, more and more night, more and more people are coming here. And yeah, surprisingly there are so many family here in Canggu. And yeah, I really like the color here. The neon color is so colorful, very nice. One thing about Canggu Batu Bolong area, especially, some of you will like it, probably some of you also don't like it. It's just like comparison, you know, previous years, like you turn back your old memories whenever you were coming to Kuta, to Legian at your age 20 and 30s, you really love it. But look at now, all the 20s and 30s or 40s even, the tourists, they prefer to come to Canggu. As you see, it's packed of people. And now, if you compare with Kuta, Legian, maybe most of the, you know, seniors coming there, or Sanur, if you compare with them, mostly, you know, the old-timer tourists who coming there. But look at now here in Canggu, mostly people who just firstly coming to Bali, and they come to Canggu, and probably they enjoy it.